If you've got a modern Yamaha motorcycle, like an XSR 900, MT-07, MT-09, Tenere 700, or the Niken, and you're looking to connect a satnav, phone charger, or other accessory to the auxiliary power port, there's something you'll need to want to get right, and that's the connector. Older Yamahas use a fairly standard block connector, but modern models now use a specific type that can trip you up, especially if you're buying online. I found this out the hard way while working on my Yamaha Niken. I'll be doing another video showing where the front auxiliary connector is located and how to access it, so keep your eye out for that. I'll also be covering installing a GPS display screen with front and rear cameras and how to wire it and set it all up. But back to the connectors. At a glance, many of the connectors you'll see on eBay, Amazon or AliExpress look the same, but trust me, they're not. Some sellers even list them as fits Yamaha, but it doesn't always mean they do. And here's what happened to me. I bought a set on AliExpress that was advertised as suitable for Yamaha. When they arrived, they looked very close to the real thing, same shape, similar size, but when I tried to connect them to the factory auxiliary plug, no go, just slightly different, and that slightly is what it takes. Here's a look at the correct Yamaha connectors bought on Amazon and the ones I got from AliExpress. Visually, you might notice the color difference. The originals are usually a light grey, while the cheaper ones are often white, but color's not the real giveaway. Look closely at the male side of the original Yamaha connector and you'll see two small guide tabs at the bottom. On the AliExpress version, there are no tabs on it. That's the key difference, and why it won't fit a genuine Yamaha socket properly unless you are replacing both the male and female ends, which most people aren't doing. You're also cutting your original wiring. So, the tip is simple. Don't go just by appearances. Look carefully at the product photos, especially the bottom of the male connector and female connector. If you only replacing one side or planning to connect directly to your Yamaha factory auxiliary plug, you'll need an exact match. The good news is that the right ones are out there. Some eBay sellers offer the correct version even if it's white. Just double check the photos and reviews before clicking buy. The AliExpress ones I got, I'll save them for something less important or when I'm doing wiring of both ends myself. Lesson learned. If this helped you avoid that mistake, or you've already made it and now you know why, feel free to give the video a like or drop a comment. And if you're into motorcycles, custom builds or DIY installations like this, why not subscribe? There's more content coming and hopefully a few more useful tips along the way. Thanks for watching and happy wiring. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you.